All right, guys, we're at my local Home Depot. I'm going to check out, see what kind of deals they got, some clearance, see if they lowered any of the holiday prices. So let's go ahead and check it out. So the first thing I checked out was the barbecues. Usually barbecues are deeply discounted around this time. So I had the Loco cookers. This is the kettle grill. This was $400. It says it's 22-inch all the way down to 179. So huge discount on that. Next up, they had the Next Grill. This is a charcoal barrel grill. Not a huge discount on this one. It was at 65 bucks, regularly like $78. Here's a better look at it here. Pretty small grill, so not too good for a huge family, but definitely if you're just doing a smaller family, that would be a good pickup. Down here, they had another one of the Next grills. So this is a one burner gas griddle. 129 for this. This was 149. So you get 20 bucks off on this one. They had a bunch of these in stock still. Hopefully the price lowers even more on that. They also had a Masterbuilt. This is a charcoal griddle, gas, and smoker. Pretty nice setup here. Price on this said it was regularly $800, but they had this marked down to $640. Also, they had the Weber grills marked down a little bit. So this was $617, regularly $949. Seems pretty expensive in my opinion, but that's the price they had at Home Depot. And then they had a Weber grill over here. I think they also have this one discounted at Lowe's, but this is the 210 down to $300. So if you guys are looking for some barbecues, this might be a good time to check out your Home Depot. They also had this M18 fuel string trimmer, tool only, $159 for this. The Makita guys, they also had the combo kit. So this is a blower and string trimmer. $180 was $359. This is going to come with your charger and also a battery. I think it's a 4 amp hour battery that comes with this. Yep, a 4 amp hour battery. And then your blower, string trimmer, and then the single charger. So not a bad pickup there for $180. They also had some DeWalt deals on chainsaws. So here's the 60 volt max 20-inch chainsaw kit. Was 500 bucks all the way down to 250. So this come with your battery and charger, whole kit. So pretty nice discount on that. And if you guys are looking for something a little bit smaller, they did have the 12-inch chainsaw also. So here's a look at the 12-inch. Was $279 down to $140. This is also a kit. This will come with a 5 amp hour battery, charger. And I didn't see this one on display, but they did have some up in the racks. So right there, you see the 12-inch DeWalt 20 volt with the 5 amp hour battery. So not a bad pickup there for $140. Now here's a nice deal on a string trimmer here. This Echo string trimmer, this is the kit, was $229 down to $115. And they had a bunch of these still in stock. So if you guys are looking for a good string trimmer, that might be a good pickup for you. Homelight 2-cycle gas blower and vac, all the way down to $80. This was 200 bucks. So you guys don't like using batteries, you still want to use those gas powered outdoor equipment, there you go. They also lowered some of the holiday deals. So here's the Defiant 2-pack 450 lumen battery motion activated floodlights. These were 34 all the way down to 1804. So these are pretty nice outdoor lights to put around your house. They are battery operated. 450 lumens LED, should last you a long time. And then they also had the Defiant floodlight. So this is motion activated, but this one's going to give you 3,000 lumens. This was 30 all the way down to 1504. So another good pickup there if you want to put some lighting around your house. 240-degree extra wide motion detection. This is wired, not battery. Going and jump into some tools. I've seen this whole rack here that was yellow tags. So first up, M18. This comes with an 8 amp hour battery and the charger. 208. This was $259. Now remember, these are clearance deals, so your mileage may vary. It might not reflect at every Home Depot, but these are the ones that are at my local Home Depot. They also had the Milwaukee M12 bandsaw tool only. It was $219 down to $176. They had a few of those in stock. And then next to that, they also had the M18 Fuel angle grinder. This was $140 down from $279. Right below that, they had some rigid power tools. So here is the 7¼ inch rear handle circular saw kit down to $175. They had a few of those also in stock. Next to that, the DeWalt Power Stack starter kit $129, decent deal on that. They had the Makita angle grinder. This was $149, down from $189. That was a tool only. They also had a starter kit from Makita, and this starter kit's going to include 2 4-amp-hour batteries with the charger for $159. Was $199. And then if you guys are just looking for some batteries, they did have the Makita 2-pack of the 4-amp-hour batteries. That was $150, but for $10 more, I just pick up the starter kit. Another Rigid deal, we got the hammer drill with the impact. This is a kit. They had this one for $349, and they had a bunch of these in stock. Looks like it comes with the hard case, and it does come with the 6-amp-hour battery and the 4-amp-hour battery. They also had another Rigid 2-tool combo kit marked down to $119. So this would be your drill driver and your impact driver. Comes with 2 2-amp-hour batteries. Was $159. There's a closer look at them. I don't think these are the brushless ones, but for any DIY projects, these would work perfectly fine. They also had some other deals going on for Rigid. So they got the 6.5-inch circular saw kit. Comes with a 4-amp-hour battery down to $119. There's a look at it there. And then they also had the inverter kit on a special buy, $10 off on that, down to $80. These come in pretty handy, especially if you got a bunch of batteries, power goes out, anything like that. You can plug this into AC outlet, USB outlets, charge your phones. You can even run a small TV off one of these inverters. So it definitely comes in handy in emergency situations. Also for Rigid, they had the multi-tool, so $10 off on that. Comes with the 2-amp-hour battery and the charger. This was $80, down to $70. They had the 2-pack of the 8-amp-hour batteries, down to $149. This is $179. And these are the max output batteries. Right above that, they had the brad nailer for $159, was $199. And then they also had the Rigid dual port charger, $10 off on that. Brought it down to $90. Right below that, 21-degree framing nailer. And then also for Rigid, they had the 8-tool combo kit. This is going to come with a 4-amp-hour battery and a 2-amp-hour battery. $300 for this. And then they also had a 2-pack of the 4-amp-hour batteries for $100. Jump into some Makita stuff. They had a buy one, get one going on. So if you buy any of these tools, they had a lot to choose from. Here's the compact router for $200. They had the pruning saw for $219. Recip saw for $219. They also had the 6.5-inch circular saw for $239. Multi-tool for $249. And then the 1/2-inch high torque impact wrench for $329. If you purchase any one of those tools, you'll be able to get the starter kit for free. Also seen this Rigid deal over by the displays. So we got the 18-volt compact bandsaw. It was $229, down to $100. Another pretty good deal there. And then if you guys are looking for a compressor, they had the Husky 27-gallon compressor. It says it was $549, down to $269. But if you look up here, they had the smaller 20-gallon for the same price at $269. So I just go with the 27-gallon if you're looking for more capacity. They also had a deal on the Husky 52-inch toolbox. So this is the heavy-duty toolbox, $798. This was $998. And these are pretty nice toolboxes. Built really well. Has the power strip built in the side if you need to plug anything in or charge your phone. Also has the soft closing drawers. So pretty nice toolbox. If you guys are looking for something a little bit smaller, they also had the 27-inch marked down, $298. This was $448. So this is a 10-drawer combo. So you guys looking for something a little bit smaller compared to the 52-inch, that might be a good pickup for you. I also had some deals on some of the Husky pliers. This is a 2-pack. This was $21.97. They marked it down to $13. And then we also had another Husky deal over here. So this is the 110-piece homeowner's toolkit. This was $49, down to $39. Comes in a nice little hard case. And then all the way down here, they had one more deal. And this was the hammer and wrecking bar combo. They had this for $14. This was $16.88. All right, guys, so unfortunately, that was all the deals that I found at my local Home Depot that was worth talking about. So not a lot going on yet. Hopefully they drop these prices a little bit more. Definitely curious to see what you guys are seeing at your Home Depot. So if you guys are seeing some pretty good deals, let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear it. If If you found some value in the video, make sure you smash that like button. If you guys like videos like these, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I'll talk to you later.